Is Pepe about to send it? Well, we look like we've got some positive price movement in the crypto market, and Pepe is no exception. That thing is starting to move. Could this be the next leg up? Are we about to transition from memes to altcoin, and where will Pepe sit within that? I want to discuss all that in this video, so be sure, if you haven't already, to subscribe to the channel. Also, smash the like button if you are still bullish on Pepe, and let's get right into this video. So take a quick look, as we always do, at the meme coin space right now. Taking a look at volume, we see that Dogecoin and Shiba Inu currently riding the number 1 and 2 spot, with Pepe there, the 79th highest ranked cryptocurrency, but 2% up on the last 24 hours. So definitely starting to see some slight movement in the price of Pepe, which is great news. And again, in the last hour, that's where this price action is coming from. $80.9 million is the volume, and we're back above that $500 million market cap. Now, there is still a ton to do to get back to those all-time highs pre-Binance listing, as well as a number of other facets to Pepe. We'll take a look at the technicals in just a minute, but what I wanted to talk a little bit about is this. The Pepe coin skyrockets to new heights, and this is in the last kind of few weeks, last month. Is this the next 10x opportunity before the weekend? And we're going to get into this in a little bit more detail. So it says, Pepe the Frog theme meme coin has unquestionably emerged as a dominant frontrunner during this era of meme coin season. However, during the last month, the coin has experienced major downturn, but is now purposely rebounding today with 1.04% increase, has been as high as 5%. The coin is currently trading at that 1272 and has begun to gradually recover from the losses it incurred over the previous weeks. Now, you might be thinking, okay, T-Bit, what are you talking about? Why is this important? Well, it says, it is worth noting around 1/3 of Pepe's total supply presently held on prominent exchanges, including Binance, OKX, KuCoin, MEXC, and Gate.io. Gate.io, slightly questionable about whether that one's going to survive or not, but which are among the most notable ones. The Venus community is deliberating on the possibility of incorporating the Pepe token as collateral within the Venus protocol. According to the proposal, this addition would open up fresh prospects for users, bringing another advantage like enhanced fees and increase yield generation. So another avenue. And this is what I talked about on the channel with particularly Pepe. Once the hype has died, and it always happens, it can't continually pump, huge numbers. What does it fall back on? And I said this, I talked about this in a video, that I thought the Pepe team was working on something in the background. If they can do this cooperation with Venus Protocol, where they offer some more abilities to use Pepe and equally offer advantages and enhanced fees, this could be exactly what transitions Pepe into a more sustainable altcoin, as opposed to it being the daddy or the meme coin. It says transactions on the Frog themed coin have experienced a significant decline, dropping from the peak of over 1,000 per hour to less than 250. Trading volume Pepe also witnessed a sharp decline, but ultimately this is where it differs. The situation closely resembles what occurred to Luna Classic following the conclusion of the previous significant price surge in September 22. Unfortunately, Luna Classic has failed to regain its momentum, but this is where Pepe could be different. Using that altcoin meme coin vibe, particularly, we know that memes are still there, there's still plenty of money, there's still opportunities, but Pepe could be different. We could definitely see this start to come into its own, and once again start to move up with all of that liquidity sat in exchanges. Then they offer an APY you can earn with your crypto. It's definitely an opportunity for Pepe to really start to make a difference, and I for one will certainly be keeping an eye very, very closely on what's happened. Now, what's important here, taking a look at the technicals, is we do see this upward trend for Pepe all the way back here from Wednesday. We're starting to see this nice upward trend, which isn't particularly aligned to the crypto market. Bitcoin just starting to move today, about 2%, 1.67 currently starting to move. We'll see how, as we build into the weekend, what happens with this. But Pepe looking like it's putting some strength. We obviously tipped up here back into the 13th before we got some selling pressure coming down to the 12.7 range. But Pepe continues to move in the upward trajectory, and that is important. Look at this volume coming in again, 113.397 billion Pepe sold in this bought in this 1 hour. So this shows you the power of when this comes in, and again, this utility that comes out, or even just these partnerships, open up to investors potentially with very big pockets for Pepe. And we have to talk about bull run time. Obviously, we're nowhere near that yet. We've got about another 8 to 12 months yet before we get into the bull run. In my view, Pepe, if it can survive this, could be absolutely primed to have a huge run once again. Like we saw with Shiba Inu, like we saw with Dogecoin, it will just take one tweet, one adoption, or one partnership, or like we've been talking for a while, one big exchange listing, Coinbase, Robinhood, whatever it is, could see Pepe once again really start to fly. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. Why do you think Pepe all of a sudden is starting to move? We've seen it in the last hour, starting to really significantly change and pump up. Again, looking for that consolidation, that holding slightly above where we started is definitely good news for anyone in Pepe. But we'll keep you up to date with everything going on with this, so be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell on if you want to see Pepe going. Remember, smash the like button. It does help the channel. It supports us on the algorithm and lets everyone know Pepe, well, she's here to stay. As ever, thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.